Have you ever pondered over the term court-packing scheme? It's a phrase that's tossed around quite a bit in political discussions, and today we'll unravel its meaning. Firstly, it's essential to understand the context in which the term is used. The court-packing scheme is typically associated with the judicial branch of government, specifically the Supreme Court in various countries, most notably the United States. Imagine a game of chess. The board is the court and the pieces are the judges. Now suppose you're not quite satisfied with the balance of power on the board. You decide to add more pieces on your side to tilt the balance in your favor. That, in essence, is a court-packing scheme, where the number of judges in a court is increased to influence the court's decisions. The term originated in the mid-30s in the United States during President Franklin D. Roosevelt's tenure. Frustrated by the Supreme Court's opposition to his New Deal programs, Roosevelt proposed a bill to increase the number of Supreme Court justices, potentially giving him the power to appoint new judges who would be more supportive of his policies. However, court-packing is not as simple as it sounds. There are several checks and balances in place to prevent such a scheme from being carried out easily. In many democratic systems, changes to the court's size require legislative approval, making it a complex and often controversial process. So why does this matter? The court-packing scheme is a tool that, if used, can greatly influence a nation's judicial landscape, shaping decisions on significant issues and potentially altering the course of history. It's a topic that brings into sharp focus the delicate balance between the different branches of government and the checks and balances that underpin democratic systems. To recap, the court-packing scheme refers to the act of altering the number of judges in a court, most commonly the Supreme Court, to influence its decisions. It's a controversial political strategy that originated in the United States during the 30s. Despite the obstacles in implementing such a scheme, its potential effects on a nation's judicial landscape make it a significant topic of discussion. Unraveling the meaning of terms like the court-packing scheme helps shed light on the intricacies of political systems and the delicate balance of power within them. As we navigate the complex world of politics, understanding these concepts allows us to better comprehend the forces that shape our world. So, the next time you hear the term court-packing scheme, you'll know exactly what it means and the potential impact it could have.